Good? Yep. Go all the way through? Yeah. Awesome. Good job. How about through the mid back there?
Everything.
All right, good. That's gonna get you standing up straighter. Good, good. Different than the hand, right?
Completely different, yeah.
Where'd you feel it the most?
From here all the way here, and it's completely out.
Good. There's nothing like that adjustment.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, good. Feel a lot looser up through that neck and stuff.
Everywhere, yeah.
Feel a lot less compressed in there.
Yeah, no, I feel like completely loose back here.
Good. Awesome. Yeah, pain was like a 5. Where you at right now?
I mean, I feel pretty mobile.
All right, good.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, man. Good job.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you.